Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Tracy as part of First United Methodist Church. I've decided today to come outside because the weather is amazing, and you might notice my dog step in and out of class as we go through the next few minutes together working on movement, mindfulness, and breath. Mindful movement, as we call it at the United Methodist Church. First, sit crisscross applesauce on your mat, or on the carpet, or on the ground. Take a big inhale and exhale. Sitting as tall as you can again. Big inhale. Big exhale. Slide the right arm out to the side. Bring the left arm up and over and take 3 big circles here. Come back up to center and take it out to the other side. Other arm, other side. Come right back up to center here. Take a nice big inhale and exhale. Today we're going to be talking about 5-part breath. We're going to use our hand as a representation of the number 5. You have 5 fingers, so we're going to be using those 5s. Right now, can you please give me a virtual high 5? So come all the way forward to the computer and tap at the computer screen right where I'm at so that I can say hello. If anyone else is in the room with you, you can give them a high 5. Hey, Titan, you want to give me a high 5? Can you sit? Good boy. Shake. Can you give me a shake? He's a puppy. We're still working on this. All right, go on. After you've given someone a high 5, come back and hold up 5 fingers. We're going to take our other finger and use it to trace our fingers up and down throughout the whole hand. Let's do that together. Ready? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Do that one more time with me. Ready? Perfect. We're going to take that up, down, and turn it into breaths. Each up is going to become an inhale, and each down is going to become an exhale. Let's do that together right now. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And now we'll use that to actually breathe along with the process. So, on each up, remember to breathe in, and on each down, remember to breathe out. We're going to breathe in through our nose, up, and out through our mouth, down. Let's try it together. Beautiful. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now I'd like you to try that by yourself. Great job. Remembering that those 5 breaths can bring you back to a sense of calm anytime during your day. And now we'll move on to movement. Right here, we're going to first come into a tabletop position. From here, we'll do cat-cow. Pressing the feet into the mat, start to round the back up for a cat pose. And then exhale, tuck the feet right here for cow. Do that again. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. This time, be sure to meow on the inhale And moo on the exhale. Do that 2 more times. Cat, cow, cat, cow. Great job. From here, we're just going to take a moment and shift from side to side, moving through everything, making sure that your hips are nice and loose. Then we're going to take the left leg right here, pick it up, and place it in front of us into a lunge. From that lunge position, you're going to shift your weight forward, send the arms up overhead, and then exhale, bring them back down. Then we'll bring our elbows together and out, and do that 4 more times. Is that my last one? I think I lost count. Beautiful. Place those fingertips down right here, and then we're going to shift that leg back into what we call a runner's lunge. Take 5 breaths here. In through the nose, and out through the mouth. And then bring that leg back. Gently take the hips from side to side. And then pick up the other leg, bringing it forward. Shift into that lunge. And then this time bring the arms out huge. And then bring them together like an alligator. Open wide. And close. 3 more times. Connecting breath to movement. And then place those fingertips down right here. Shift everything back. Runner's lunge on this side. 5 breaths here. Bring that leg back together. Gently shake those hips out. From here, we'll tuck our toes, lift everything up, press it back, downward facing dog. When you get there, pedal out your feet. Take your dog for a walk. And then find stillness in downward facing dog. Take a nice big inhale here. And then exhale, look towards the hands, bend the knees, step or hop to come forward. Take an inhale, lift up halfway, and an exhale, let everything go. Take an inhale, come all the way up to standing, and exhale, come to mountain pose. From mountain pose on your mat, place your hands onto your hips. I'm going to take a big step right here. Turn out the left toes. Take the arms nice and wide, and we'll come into triangle pose. Lean forward and come down. Breathe 5 times here. Inhale, come up. Exhale, turn the toes forward. Jump back together, and then shake everything out. Do a nice circle, moving all around. And then come back to center. Place those hands on the hips. Step the feet wide. Turn the right toes out. Arms go straight. And then gently start to tilt here. Triangle on the other side. 5 breaths. Inhale, come up. Exhale, hands on the hips. Jump together. Shake everything out. Turn the other direction. Come back to center. Take a big inhale here. Exhale, fold. And now make your way to a seated position on your mat. From the seated position, we're going to turn our legs here and shake everything out nice and long. Give them a nice shake. And then take a big inhale, arms overhead, and exhale, come forward, reaching for the toes. Maybe you don't meet the toes, and that is perfectly fine. Stay right here and hang out for 5 breaths. After that 5th breath, sit nice and tall, release those arms, and bend the knees. Bring the hips and the bottom towards the feet. Press the arms out in front of you. Lift up the right leg and the left leg for boat pose. Take an inhale, bring the arms in, and an exhale, push it forward like you're rowing. 5 more times. Inhale, exhale. Got this. Good job. Give your feet and knees a nice little hug, placing your feet on the mat, and then place your feet all the way down, coming with arms out in front of you to roll all the way down to the ground. When you get there, bring your knees in towards your chest, give them a wonderful hug, and rock from side to side. Then, send the feet up towards the sky. Reach for the outsides of the feet, coming into happy baby, rocking from side to side. And then hug in the right leg, letting the left leg go long. Taking 5 breaths here. After that 5th breath, rotate the ankle 3 times one direction, and then 3 times the other. And then switch legs. Left leg comes in, right leg goes long. 5 breaths here. After that 5th breath, rotate the ankle one direction, and then the other. From here, stretch out both legs and get as still as you can on your mat. We'll come into savasana now, taking one last inhale together and exhale into what is also known as stargazer pose. to move your fingers, wiggling them back and forth. And move your toes, wiggling them back and forth. Bring your knees into your chest, give them a nice hug, rock from side to side. Roll over onto one side, curl into a little ball. Pause right here and tell yourself thank you. And then tell your family thank you for who they are and for how they love you. Say thank you to your school for supporting you and teaching you. And thankful for today. Say thank you for today. Press yourself up to a comfortable seat. We'll make crisscross applesauce. Sitting nice and tall here again. Bring our hands to heart center. Take one last breath in. And out. Namaste. Thank you so much for taking your time to join us here with Ragazzi Wellness at First United Methodist Church. We hope to be coming at you for the next few weeks with a video each week to help you support your at-home practice with your little one. If you need anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online at ragazzimobilewellness.com. Thank you so much for your time. May you be well. Namaste.